Okay, so let's talk about creating emails with ChatGPT. Basically, with the help of ChatGPT, we can create fast and effective emails um, without wasting a lot of time on thinking how we write them and the style we write them and really writing them. With ChatGPT, we can do it really fast. We can then take the email he wrote us and edit it and personalize it and send it to the users because sometimes we waste a lot of time thinking how we can write an email to a bunch of people, a bunch of users, or how to reply to a lot of people, and it takes time. It consumes time. So with ChatGPT, we can automate this process and save a lot of time. So let's see how we can do it. We can ask ChatGPT. Let's say, write me, um, write me a promotion email for my newsletter subscribers about about my new digital course and offer them a special discount of 20%. Right, so let's see what we get. All right, that was fast. Subject: enroll now in our new digital course and get 20% off. Dear subscriber, I'm thrilled to announce the launch of our brand new digital course. As a valued member of our community, I want to offer you an exclusive discount of 20% off the regular price. And keeps going. The course is designed to help you with, and then you just you put your topic, what your course is about. You can edit this part to fit into your needs. Um, Enrolling is a great investment in your personal and professional development. I'm excited to offer you a special discount to make it even more accessible. To take advantage of this offer, simply use the code and the code you put. So you see, we got a nice email that we did very fast, and we can send it to our subscribers. And like, yeah, that was really fast and really great chance to use ChatGPT for these helpful things, but we can make it even better. So let's say we want it to be like in another tone or in another style. So we can ask ChatGPT, make the email more, let's say, funny. You know what? Let's say sarcastic, right? Okay, so we are just weird people that want to send a sarcastic email. So and we do it, and I think this is like a very good marketing strategy. So look at the subject. Who another boring email, but wait, there is a 20% discount inside. Like I would never will think about that kind of email, and even if I did, it will took me a lot of time to. It will take me a lot of time to write this kind of email. And you see, with ChatGPT, we can do it really fast. So let's see. I bet you're just thrilled to receive yet another email from me. But hey, at least there is some good news in here. We're launching a new digital course called Da Da Da, and I'm generally offering you a discount of 20% of the regular price. This course is so amazing that I just had to interrupt your day with yet another email to tell you about it. It will help you and includes, and then you just put your course content, and guess what? You get to learn at your own pace on your own schedule because that's the only way to learn. Am I right? By the way, there is more. You have lifetime access to the course material, which means you can revisit it as many times as you want. Who wouldn't want to spend the rest of their life learning about and the course topic? So, if you don't want to be like everyone else and sign up for the course, use the code and check out to get your 20% discount, or don't. I won't judge you either way. Thanks for putting up with me. Now, this is, I think, a great email, a piece of heart email. Like, a real promotion email that can drive sales and get us leads, because this is a funny sarcastic email, and obviously it doesn't fit for everybody, and we can play with it. We can ask the email to be more formal, we can ask to be it more luxury style. Like we can play it however we want.